Install a high-capacity food disposal system designed to handle the volumes produced by a big family household. Choose a disposal with a larger horsepower rating and continuous feed design to process heavy loads without clogging. Mount the unit on a reinforced sink flange and use a heavy-duty motor and stainless steel grinding components to resist corrosion and long-term wear. Include a separate inlet for a food recycler unit that macerates and dewaters scraps into a compact, low-odor output. Position that inlet so it can be fed directly from a wide, sloped countertop chute to minimize handling. Plan a dedicated compost chute sized to accept larger scraps and lined with a removable washable sleeve, routed straight to an outdoor compost container or an interior composting chamber. Slope the chute at a minimum of 1/4 inch per foot to avoid buildup. Fit an easy clean trap under the sink and a full access panel in the cabinet base so you can clear jams and replace seals without uninstalling the entire assembly. Finally, specify a separate drain with an air gap and a fixture for automated periodic flushing to reduce grease and starch accumulation and keep flow rates high. A common problem is undersizing the disposal for family volume, which leads to frequent jams and motor burnout, so choose at least 1 horsepower or higher for families of more than 4 and consult flow rates of the drain system before purchase. Another frequent issue is poor routing of chutes and inlets that causes blockages and odors. Prevent that by using smooth bore piping, gentle slopes, and removable sleeves that you can wash weekly. The third issue is difficult maintenance because installers hide the trap behind permanent cabinetry. Avoid this by planning an access panel and using quick release fittings so routine cleaning and part replacement can be performed in minutes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project planning ideas that match the scale of a large family kitchen. We host a discussion community where we share real-world experiences, installation tips, and contractor recommendations so our members can make informed choices.